guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know what time it is. First launch of Fenty Beauty of the year. If you guys want to know more, let's go. So I have here the new Fenty Beauty You Miss Makeup Extending Setting Spray. This retails for $32 for 3.4 ounces. Let's see what it is. A super fine mist fueled by Invisiflex Shield, an undetectable veil to protect against environmental stressors that sets makeup and extends wear. What else you need to know? This setting spray is not going anywhere. Extend makeup wear up to 12 hours long and give a skin boost of hydration that lasts all day. Fueled by Fenty Beauty's innovative Invisiflex Shield for a comfy protection, this ultrafine mist makes makeup more resistant to sweat, humidity transfer, and water. Now, Fenty did post this video where they were testing the spray up against, I'm assuming, eyeshadow swatches. If I can find it, I'll insert it here. And they wasn't moving. They were not moving. Y'all know this is not Fenty's first spray. The first one, that was one of those, like, you use it in between layers, you use it to like hydrate, stuff like that. So this one's supposed to be more of like a fixing, you know, it'll help against, well, what it just said, humidity transfer, all that good stuff. This is what she looks like. Very cute packaging. I forgot to wipe off the powder on my face. I'll be right back. So go ahead, wipe that off. I be having to really catch myself, not swiping, more of like a pat, but like a little swiping. You see what I'm saying? Like sometimes on this section of my face, I'll straight up be going like this, which I know I really shouldn't do. Again, just like pat it into the skin and also like kind of off. But like what you should be going for is like, ooh, got that in my eye. Pat, but like pat away. Oh, did it say shake or not shake? Let me see. Close eyes and mist. Use before, during, or after makeup application. Do not inhale. Keep eyes closed. Okay, well, I don't see anything, so let's see. Okay, the way it missed out matters. Is there a scent? I don't smell nothing. Okay. Smell a little lemony, but wait a minute. Oh, I feel like I kind of missed. Okay. And then y'all know, while my face is still a little wet, my Dior powder just kind of infuses everything together, makes it like velvety. Not much though. You're not like really adding a whole nother layer of powder. And yeah, y'all, this is going to be my face for the day. First impressions, I feel like as soon as I sprayed it on, it was giving one size on till dawn, and that L'Oreal setting spray, that's the vibe it was giving. We're going to let it sit on the face, see how, you know, it keeps the makeup together, and then I'll be back later on with my opinions on this setting spray. Okay, y'all, so it is 4:30. This is what my face looks like. I don't believe I mentioned what time it was, but I did my makeup this morning somewhere around 10, and this is what she looks like. I told y'all. Giving very much so cousins, if not triplets. Just from the way it came on, it reminded me very quickly of these. I think this is alcohol free. Are you alcohol free? I might have to go back and read the descriptions, but baby, when I tell you face stayed put. Now I'm wearing the Patrick Ta and Makeup by Mario foundations together, and if you guys saw the video that I just uploaded wearing the two of them, y'all know that combination is dewy. Okay, but look at my face. If you're asking me to pick between this one and the original setting powder they came out with, this one. I know it's the first try, but this one, like I said, this is one of those, you put it on so that it can do something for the makeup. It can make it long wearing, it can make it sweat proof, it can make it waterproof, which, mind you, I got a notification saying that I got a package in the mailroom, so I go to get it. I walk outside, I'm like, is this a hailstorm? Because it was giving like harder than rain. But so yeah, face has been wet. So this is what this one is giving, whereas the first one they came out with is giving very much so like MAC Fix Plus, the like Makeup by Mario setting spray, just those sprays that you use to, you know, maybe a little hydration, helping mix the products on your face, stuff like that. Now I kind of want to do the Fenty video test myself in real life, so I did swatch this liquid lipstick on my arm. Let's see, going to, that is what it looks like. Trying to do this with no cuts here. Do you have to wait for it to dry before, I guess, right? Wait for it to dry a little before you try to run your fingers through it. See, a little streaking. You see that? A little. Do you see that? Like literally right there. Oh, y'all see that? Like it streaks a little bit. Mind you, nothing's coming off on my finger. Let's try it one more time. Yeah, I think the first one was like user error. It's giving not moving. So like I said, cousins, if you guys saw the Range Beauty video that I did where I was like the Patrick Ta, NARS Natural Radiant, and Range Beauty Foundation are in the same family, but they've got slight differences. I would say the same about these three. This I feel is the maximum. It ain't budging, it ain't moving. Should I try it again with this? Let's see. This is going to hold your face in place throughout the day, especially in the summer. And I keep realizing I need to purchase a new one. But this one, this is the ultimate. Like I really, especially nowadays, haven't been breaking this out unless I'm going somewhere because it's not gonna be hot like that. But that's when I would break it out. I know it's going to be extremely hot. This is the tame cousin where, don't get it twisted, because one size products are very oily skin friendly. A lot of them mattify, which is going to do, but she's, I feel, to me, the sun, please. Not as intense. I feel like the other one, literally, you could suck it all in, face not moving, and this is going to do the same thing, but I feel like this I can do year round, because this is the one I've switched to using right now. Something about the L'Oreal, I've tried using it on just regular days, doing my makeup, and I'm like, all right, this is a little intense. This one, I haven't been having any issues so far this winter, so that's why I'm like just a little bit more tame, but still ain't nothing to play with. And this cousin might be, if the other two cousins had a I don't think I should say that, because then that would be Okay, but y'all get what I mean. I do feel like she kind of mattified my face, maybe like soft matte-ish, but it's still locking everything in like the L'Oreal would do. So it's like a nice mix of the two of them in one. But yeah, I feel like you can't go wrong with any of the three. And there's two more setting sprays that I want to add to this collection, and then I feel like I can do a video on just like the ultimate setting sprays that are going to get you through big events, get you through any type of weather, regardless of skin type, all that stuff. I have that video in mind. But if you were wondering about this Fenty, go ahead and get her. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. So I hope seeing me test this out has helped. If any you're thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.